Ever wondered why they tell you to sleep it off? Dive into the science and secrets behind why sleep is the best medicine, literally. Discover how it heals your brain, boosts immunity, and mends your body, all for free. Introduction. Alright, let's cut to the chase. You're burning the candle at both ends, running on fumes, and feeling about as sharp as a marble. Your to-do list is a mile long, and the last thing you have time for is a solid 8 hours of shut-eye. Sound familiar? Well, hold on to your pillow, because we're about to flip the script. What if I told you that the most powerful, accessible, and downright miraculous healing tool in your arsenal is, well, it's not in your medicine cabinet. It's waiting for you in your bed. We're talking about the undeniable truth that sleep is the best medicine, literally. It's not just an old wives' tale, it's a biological superpower we all possess but so often neglect. So, let's pull back the covers on the incredible, body and soul restoring magic that happens when you hit the hay. The body's night shift. What really happens after lights out when you finally drift off? It's not just lights out for your consciousness. Oh no, my friend. Your body flips the open for business sign and a whole cleanup and construction crew clocks in for the graveyard shift. Thinking you're just resting is like saying a Formula 1 pit crew is just wiping down a car. Brain detox in full swing. Imagine your brain having its own tiny, efficient janitorial service. Using a network called the glymphatic system, it kicks into high gear during deep sleep, power washing away the day's metabolic junk, like the beta-amyloid proteins linked to Alzheimer's. Waking up feeling clear-headed isn't just a feeling, it's a literal brain cleanse. Muscle repair and growth hormone release, hitting the gym? The real gains don't happen while you're lifting, they happen while you're sleeping. Your pituitary gland releases a pulse of human growth hormone, which is essential for tissue repair, muscle growth, and strengthening bone. It's like sending a team of microscopic construction workers to fix all the wear and tear. Memory consolidation and filing. Your brain is a busy librarian during the night, taking the scattered notes and experiences of your day and carefully filing them away into long-term storage. This process, happening primarily during REM sleep, is why sleeping on it often leads to a better solution or a clearer memory in the morning. Your immune system's secret weapon. If you've ever wondered why you seem to catch every cold when you're tired, here's the kicker. Sleep supercharges your immune system.